From a sea-facing house in Mumbai to Rolls-Royce, most expensive things owned by Hrithik Roshan. As Hrithik Roshan celebrates his 47th birthday today, here is checking out all the expensive assets owned by the actor. The list includes two apartments worth rupees 100 crore, Rolls-Royce, fancy watches among others. Actor Hrithik Roshan will celebrate his 47th birthday this January. Hrithik Roshan is undoubtedly one of the most incredibly good-looking actors Indian film industry could ever ask for. He was also declared as the world's most handsome man in the year 2019 and then just says it all. The actor has been a part of the industry for over 2 decades now and has given many hits like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Krish, Agnipath, Kabil, Super 30, War among others. If that wasn't enough, he was also several bad endorsements of top brands in his kitty. In the year 2019 itself, Hrithik delivered two super hit films, Super 30 and War. According to a leading daily, Hrithik Roshan estimated net worth of $40 million and is not only expected to increase in the coming years. So as Hrithik celebrates his 47th birthday today, he is looking at all the expensive things and luxurious things owned by Hrithik. The list includes multi-crore apartments, high-priced cars, watches to name a few. Number 1. Sea-facing home. Hrithik owns a dream sea-facing apartment in Mumbai's Juhu area. It boasts multiple bedrooms, a large den replete with a chocolate vending machine, and a quaint home office. It also includes a makeshift outdoor workspace and a corner for piano. One look at the picture of his house and you'll realize how every corner of the house has been personalized to the T by the actor. 2 years ago, the actor had renovated his house by finding the perfect shade of Santorini inspired blue for his house. Rolls-Royce Ghost Series. Hrithik and luxury go hand in hand. When it comes to his car collection, the actor has many as 8 extravagant cars parked in his garage. He has a Rolls-Royce Ghost worth rupees 7 crore. It is said to be even more expensive than the one Shah Rukh Khan owns. Mercedes Maybach. While Hrithik and his Rolls-Royce have been photographed pretty often and in and around Mumbai, but did you know that he's an avid petrol head who also owns a pricey Mercedes Maybach? That's not all. Hrithik was once papped riding a Harley Davidson. I was gifted a Harley by a friend. I loved riding it, but even with a helmet, people recognized me, so I gave it up, paid it forward and gifted it to another friend. He had said in 2016. In 2020, Hrithik is believed to be bought 2 new apartments for nearly 100 crores spread over 3 floors on Mumbai's Juhu-Versova Link Road. The actor plans to integrate the 2 apartments for a mansion in the air, where one is a duplex penthouse and the other is a single-story home. The deal has been reportedly sealed at rupees 97 crores. Turns out the family will receive their own private elevator and huge access to 10 parking slots in the building premises. According to a leading daily, the apartments are spread over an area of 38,000 square feet with 6,500 square feet open to sky terrace and after an uninterrupted view of the Arabian Sea. Rolex Submariner date worth rupees 7.5 lakhs. Hrithik owns several luxury watches, but he also owns a Rolex Submariner date, which is one of the most extravagant watches, and it cost around 7.5 lakhs. Apart from this, Cartier, Jaeger LeCoultre and Lado are some of the high-end brands we have spotted on Hrithik's wrist in the past. HRX brand. Apart from acting and collaborating on multiple brand endorsements, Hrithik also co-owns a business which is his own sportswear clothing brand called HRX. The company's net worth is around 200 crores. Well, our Hrithik Roshan is too pricey, but he truly is a Greek god. Hit the comment section and do tell us what you feel about the superstar. Also, keep coming back to telechakkar.com for more updates and gossips.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.